If the wall is straight, one of the fastest and easiest ways is installation using an adhesive. The surface on which the panels are fitted must be smooth and ensure adequate adhesion. Installation begins with cutting and fitting the A01 starter trim. Before installing the first panel, cut the tongue with a sharp knife. The panels should be placed in order according to the numbering on the back of the panel. Panels should be installed from left to right and from bottom to top. It is recommended to use VOX mounting adhesive for gluing panels. It should be applied to the panel forming the S-letter shape. Importantly, the first panel on the wall needs to be covered with adhesive on the entire surface, whereas each subsequent one only needs it on the edge with the tongue. After applying the first panel, check the vertical and horizontal lines and fix the panel. Then attach another panel and fix it using a hammer and a wooden mallet. Before fixing the panel permanently, make sure there is no gap between panels and check the vertical and horizontal lines again. Kerradeco panels are very easy to process, light, stiff, and do not cause any dust when cutting. For cutting panels, you can use a handsaw, a jigsaw, or a table saw. For the aesthetic finish of the inner corner, we recommend using the A02 trim. We use an A03 trim to finish the outer corner. Apply mounting adhesive to the trims and paste it into the corners. It is also possible to do the installation without using finishing trims. For the inner corner, panels should be laid at an angle of 90 degrees. Making an external corner without using trims requires experience and technical skills. To fit the panels exactly, their edges should be cut at an angle of 45 degrees. Mounting of the Kerradeco system is easy, fast and clean. It not only saves time but also allows for the possibility of using the rooms immediately after installation. Detailed installation instructions are available at vox.pl.